guys, it's Urbanda Zapata. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how my husband did a corner shelf. We saw a picture in Google and we decided to do it our way. For this project we used 8 planks of wood of 2.5 feet long by 6 inches. We used also 4 pieces of 6 by 8 inches and 4 pieces of 6 by 6 inches. In the video you will see more pieces, but we didn't use all of them. We are going to sand the wood and then we're going to mark and do some pocket holes. For each corner we will need 4 planks of wood and we are going to do 4 holes, 2 in each wood, leaving 2 without any hole. We are also going to need 2 of the 6 by 8 and 2 of the 6 by 6, and we are going to make 2 pocket holes in each piece. We are going to use wood stain and let it dry, and once it's dry we're going to sand it to make it smoother. We are going to dust the nuts and apply clear to protect the wood. We went to Lowe's because they have a service where they cut the wood for free. You just give them the measurements, and this makes the job easier for us. I want to give all the credits to my husband because I didn't do much in this project. So thank you, husband. We didn't use any sealer because the shelves are mainly for decoration and it's less likely to come in contact with water. We use a heat gun to remove any bubbles and then we'll let it dry. Once we join each side of the corner shelf, we are going to make 2 pocket holes to form and secure the L shape. I forgot to mention that for this project we are using screws of 1 inch and also screws of 3 inches. We didn't paint the back because nobody's going to see it and it's going to be facing the wall, so we save time there. I want to mention that since there was no stud behind the wall, we used 8 150-pound test wall anchor to secure them to the wall with 3 inches screws. And now we're going to screw the small pieces. Now he's doing 4 holes, 1 in each corner, and this is to mount the shelf to the wall. Once mounted, we plug the holes with wooden buttons to hide the screws, and we also paint them with black marker. I hope you find this video helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this project. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.